welcome back to my channel. So friends, here I am going to show you a very beautiful and super easy flower. This flower you can use in your any project, as like in your kid dresses, or you can decorate your house with this flower. So let's start the video. But first of all, I have a request friends. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. And if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. So let's start. Okay, now here I am taking 3-ply wool friends. This is 3-ply thread and 3.5 mm crochet hook. Now starts with 10 chain. Make 10 chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Add your work with first chain. Make a slip stitch. Now 2 chain and make 9 double crochet from the hole. 1 2 3 and 9. Now see, 9 double crochet, make 2 chains and again 9 double crochet from the same hole. 1. Very super easy pattern friends, and very good looking flower this is. You can use it in your any project, as like you can use it in your dresses or in hairbands. If you want to make a door hanging, then you can use this pattern. You can decorate your house and curtains with this flower. Very beautiful and super easy pattern. Now let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and one more, 9. Okay, 9 double crochet, 2 chain and 9 double crochet. Add your work with 2 chain, first and second. This is the second chain. Add your work with slip stitch. This is the final look of first petal. Now again make 10 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again add your work with first chain. This is the first chain. Add your work. Make 2 chains and let's turn your work friends, and let's start to make 9 double crochet, 2 chain and 9 double crochet again. 2 3 8 and 9. Now make 2 chains and again 9 double crochet from the same hole. 2 4 8 and 9. Now again add your work with 2 chain, 1 and 2. This is the second chain. Add your work with slip stitch. Again make 10 chains. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Add your work with first chain and make the third petal. So repeat this process 12 times and make 12 petals like this. Now see, this is the first petal and second petal. This is the base of third petal. Repeat this process 12 times and make 12 petals with same process. Okay, now look, I have 12 petals. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. At last, join your work with 2 chain space. Make 1 chain, cut the thread and add the new thread at the same place. New thread at the same place. Now here I am using friends red color. You can use thread according to your choice. Make 2 chains and 1/2 double crochet in each double crochet. 1/2 double crochet. Again 1/2 double crochet in next one. Again 1/2 double crochet. Now make 1/2 double crochet in each double crochet. Each 9 double crochet you have, then make 1 in each. Look, now I am in 2 chain space. Then make 4 half double crochet in 2 chain space. 1 2 3 and 4. And now 1/2 double crochet in each next 9 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and now 9, and make 1/2 double crochet in this space. Here is the space, chain space, then make 1/2 double crochet here. Again 1/2 double crochet in each 9 double crochet of next petal. 1 2 and 9. Now in 2 chain space make 4 half double crochet. 1 2 3 4. Again 1 in next 9 double crochet and 9. Now make 1 in this space. You have space between 2 petals, then make 1/2 double crochet in this space. Okay. Now repeat the same process in each petals. You have 12 petals, then make this pattern in each petal. Repeat it and over till the end. Now see, the whole petals are ready and it's time to give it a flower look. Look at the video and do the same as I am doing. Now start to fold your work. Set it properly and give it a flower look like this. So in this way you can give it a flower look. Turn your work and start to sew it. First of all, sew this part, after that this part. Okay, this is the last petal. I will start with this part. So my whole flower is ready and it's looks so pretty. I hope you will like the video. If like, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.